Welcome. In front of me I have the OnePlus Watch 2R, and today I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the device. So popping it straight open, we do need something to cut through this. Go. So right here we have obviously the watch. Peel that off. There we go. So setting it to the side, let's see what else we got in the box. Here we have paperwork and just an empty spot. Okay, great. Closing that. On the other side we have our charging cable. So that's a Type A to Type C, and then we have the little puck, so you can place it on it with a Type C. There we go. So that's all we have in the box. Now taking a look at the watch itself, we have a pretty decently sized display right here, so that's nice. It is booting up for a bit. It is running Android Wear OS, as you can probably see. So battery wise, I can already presume that it's not going to be too great, as no Wear OS has any kind of resemblance of good battery life, if we consider it as a watch, I should add. So yeah, we have obviously the connection through application. It's a smartwatch that is not smart enough to be set up without any kind of third-party application, which is not very smart, I would argue, but okay. Typical kind of things. I just kind of always want to point that out, that it's supposedly a smartwatch, but yet it cannot be set up without a phone. Now, talking about the display itself, which you can kind of see, there we go, the bezels are like right here.